Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to do pull requests on GitHub. Pull requests let you tell others about changes you've pushed to a branch in a repository on GitHub. So they're pretty simple. I'm just going to go to Files and I'll do an example on this glossary. So this is the glossary page, and if I would like to edit anything on here, I have to click on this little pencil and then it will allow me to edit. So this is just the code, and I have already inserted some information. So this is the part that I did about accessibility. If I wanted to add a little bit more, I could just say accessibility is growing rapidly in the past couple of years and is very important now, period. So if I just wanted to edit this and maybe insert another link, so inserting this dash allows us to do a nice little formatting with the bullets. And then I'll just say accessibility. And then I will go to a new page and look up accessibility definition. So I'll just click on this one just for an example. And I'll just copy this link and then go back here and then do parentheses and then insert the link. So what this does is this is what the text will show, and then when I click on this text it'll redirect me to this link. So since I already did this, I'm not going to actually request it, but if I did want to request it, I would just go down to the bottom where it says propose file change, and then I'll just say accessibility update. And then I could write a little bit extra information about the updates I made, and then I will click propose file change. Then once I click that, it'll make me do a pull request, and then it will go to the pull requests page right here, and then the owner will approve of the pull request, and then once it's approved, it'll go back onto the page. So if I go to files and then back to glossary, and then we look at the accessibility part, since I didn't actually create the pull request, it should just be the same, which is right here, without the information I added. And as I mentioned before, the dash created these bullets, and then the text in the brackets just creates this, and then with the parentheses it brings me to the link. So once I click that, it brings me to that link, which is really nice. So that's pretty much how you create a pull request, and I will see you all on the next video. Thank you all so much for watching.